So today we were able to place a dental implant for a patient. She came to our office with the tooth fractured off in the upper right quadrant. We decided that the health of the bone and everything was adequate, so we elected to take the tooth out, place the implant the same day, added a little grafting material, and she's now healing really well. And in the next 3-4 months, we're going to move on to the next phase and restore the dental implant with an abutment and crown, and she'll be back to function aesthetically, doing really well. So it was a great success.